Hi, I am Mahadi Hassan, a computer science and engineering student at Daffodil International University. Current in my 5th semester. I am excited to share a bit about my academic journey and how my skills and passion drive me to follow my dream. I am currently pursuing my bachelor's degree in computer science and engineering at Daffodil International University. I have consistently focused on developing a strong foundation in programming, algorithms, and problem solving. I am passionate about software development, AI, data science, and I am always eager to learn and apply new technologies in real-world projects. My academic journey has been marked by strong performance. I completed my SSC from Jhenaidah Government High School with a GPA of 5 and then my HSC from Government KC College Jhenaidah with a GPA of 5 as well. This academic achievement reflects my commitment to excellent hard work and my abilities to manage responsibilities as effectively. I have gained hands-on experience with list programming tools, C++, Python, Java, MySQL, and etc. And I have worked on projects such as web application. I am particularly interested in specific areas like software development, artificial intelligence, and have completed Tech of UTA. This experience have helped me strengthen my problem-solving abilities, teamwork skills, and technical expertise. I am passionate about future developing my skill in computer science and I am constantly seeking opportunity to apply my knowledge in real-world scenarios. I believe my strong academic foundation combined with my eagerness to learn and grow makes me a great fit for any challenging project or opportunities that come my way. I am excited to contribute to tech community and continue building on my expertise in programming and problem solving. Thank you for taking the time to learn a little about me. I am excited to continue growing and apply my skill as I progress in my studies. Feel free to reach out me via LinkedIn, Facebook. I am looking forward to connecting. Thank you.